to say bam, bam, bam. Cause mo Jimmy. Nti nyansa. Nipa ka nyansa mo pese mo weti. Ye tu nyum nyansa wo na mo ko sa we di say ye ntu nyansa nyum kwasia. Nga ntu nyansa nyum aka nyame be sha me say. We Jimmy papa. Mun ko pa Samini cho. Mun ko pa ni cho. Mun kan che ni say mu pa ni cho de mudi aye no bia unforgive him. Because someone boa no me nka so nya moa. But we a legend. We a legend. Who are we shame? We a legend. Samini you legend. Who are we shame? Who are we shame? We be Tom Sana shame. Samini you legend. Wa boa wa ye bia magana. Say why say kwami be ye na bi Samini be ye bi nu. O you legend. Ko na ko na ko tojwe na ko panicho. Ube bo ko tojwe na panicho. Chana. Trust them kind of moody or Ghana and mama government go away and say, hey, you're serious. Nonsense. Respect yourself. Respect yourself for this country inside. Because the respect, you know, the show. You, the media, entertainment. Forget the other politicians. I don't want to go there. The political things. I don't want to go there because I don't like politics like that. You know what I mean? You pressure this side too much, Charlie. Because this music, this nonsense pressure we know they give. See politics, pressure self inside, but people they make billions of dollars. People there nonsense. None of you to get money. Charlie, that it be one truth. You don't get money. Shouts to my father in Kumasi, man. Delay man capsules, man. Dr. Lawson. Ciao. Ciao. I love you, daddy. That no Muhammad Dudu. Say kwano. They be only buy a kwano or send. Samini we do that like this. You put the make it, they have beef with Sarkodie on radio, on public. Make everybody say, right now, Samini be bad person. Samini no be bad person. Come up for there. Come up for there. Samini you no be bad person. Come up for there. People want build. Now people want give Samini some brand. People want, oh, I think Samini has pain in his heart. Which pain? Nigga, they talk what the fact. You they talk pain. People, they use some English. Ghana, they use the English like, Obunuau. Ghana would use the English like wow. Change them, buy anywhere, raise them, check them. No sense. That's a fucking legend talking to you right there. That's a fucking star talking to you right there. Samini is a fucking icon right there. You can never disrespect him like that. You can never show him that disrespect on national radio, or it's not like that. Samini get beef and all sort of shit. Like we done the whole, so, like we made the fucking industry a prosperous one. Forget it. Maybe nigga was feeling some way, but I know right now. I mean, if he did something, I understood what Shatta was doing. Now I'm not understanding it. I never hit that nigga. It was just like boxing. I was just trying to win every time. Like, yeah. So, and that's how you fight. You fight to win. But that nigga ain't down yet. Nobody go date them. Nobody for date them and talk say, Samini, he down. Samini, he down. You'll be a pussy if you say that. You'll be somebody where you no receive far if you say that. Shatta movement fans, man, I'm going to tell you something. This life we they live, it's all about love. Everybody should show love. Everybody should show love. Show love to Samini. Support his music. If his fans doesn't support him and the fans think that now they want to go and support nonsense artists, let them go and support the nonsense artists. But yo, give him a support. Don't worry. Me a day. Me a day. There are no fear. The only fear the fear of God. And the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. And that's what I'm teaching most of you where you did. Your nonsense radio stations and TV stations where you talk nonsense. No? That's what I'm teaching you. Me I no fear. Trust me. Forget everything. There's no way. Me I know they worry nobody. So you see us at the work with free mind. Every time. But my mind be sick. That's why if they check my mind, they know if you find my folder. My mind be sick. Be bad. Understand me? It be bad for this disrespect. You put one show Samini at this time. Hey, If you get high grade fan, where you get high grade shirt, go and iron it. Stand on your feet. Start supporting your king, your boss, your don, your every. Start supporting him. Don't look back, bad man. It's just like life. You want to make it, that's how you make it. You don't listen to people. And if you listen to some song you drop there, I know they hear him like those days there. I say, this is why. It's a nice song. And because right now you're listening to a particular type, then you want change. Up to now, Jay-Z, then maybe they do. Oh yeah, wait, people go shout, hey, up to now. Don't do nonsense. Can't they here and can't they talk about people? Can't they compare? Can't they do this thing? Masa, me that what I tell you, but me I don't be industry boy. That boy me I dig my place. You understand me? People they mess up too much. People they small business. People don't know business. You can't really talk and talk like you be English students, dictation presenters. Anybody that tries to step on Samini's toe at this point in life, that men are growing and men want to make it, we'll be very pissed. We'll be very pissed. And those comparisons, people they do. Those comparisons. I go feature Beyonce, come me alone. They say Beyonce, that's a picture Beyonce, you know be right. Now they say the video said me and Beyonce go do it be Photoshop or video shop or coffee shop or pawn shop. Then I see then they compare me and Sarkodie. Now Sarkodie go feature Bob Marley. Then people they compare. Sarkodie, he do something great way nobody do before, you know. He go feature Ghost. He do something great way nobody do something before. And it's an achievement. That is how people measure that. You make nobody think, say, what are they talk? It be nonsense. What are they talk? They say, that is what he believes. So no, I need to feature this guy because, yeah. But don't compare him to Beyonce. Don't do that nonsense. People, you like a year too much. We always want to enjoy people, somebody will die. That be why you put the show foolishness. For this Sarkodie, but that's why you show your foolishness. Mupe ye. Oh, yabo. Oh, yabo. Oh, yeah. You life in la. That's why you're comparing it to somebody that is living. You're comparing Bob Marley. Who say Bob Marley no be great person? Bob Marley is a legend. He's a fucking legend. Do you know how many times we listen to Bob Marley? But your comparisons, it's very stupid. It's very stupid. Somebody we day living. We your brother and me and meet Beyonce one on one. Me and talk, me and take pictures, me and do things. Talk like him, me talk like him friend. People can date there, they want to talk nonsense because you know be Sarkodie, you know be Stone Boy. You see how Sarkodie get the Bob Marley, see how he put the Russian interview, you won't do like it and then create some idea. This is the greatest of all Ghana music industry. Take him with your stupidity. Mbua. Mudia muya nkwashia kwa mudia nyawa bia muya no mitimi choose am say mudia Jimie no na mu Jimie fans wa mutie mu program na Jimie nkwa Ghana for yempe Jimie o Ghana for bebre aso ahye pese yenya askasia ye turu mukika ye ntina ye wo bebi aye wo no ya tena se adwunu se chale se nipa anyaska chale bibi betumi esi Ghana for yeah, it's an air drink here. And you radio for more entertainment. One better na much shirt. 150 Ghana cedi, 150 Ghana ni trouser. 100 Ghana cedi, 100 Ghana cedi. Ni shoe 45 cedi. One better na nkwashia sem kwa na munka radio ni TV ni su. Ni ba ko kasa na musi ni we dey on board here. Aden na aden competition. Mu di coin. Muye Las Vegas boxing phone. Muye boxing. If there competition, person mun chair bibi na mun person mun bibi chair bibi na bibi chair. Na Kwashia sema kwacha. Me say me dream one sometimes me go to me for ana. Me go to me for ana afunu me. Because me go to me for too much because me junior man be me see I didn't Ghana for mu dream. Me see Ghana for entertainment for na mu entertainment for we mu dream basa. Basa. Obi ami ma coffee chat Beyonce. Me no Beyonce ayum. Okay, me no go try video. Me no me share no. Me no musi me share no me nyeshi. Basa ko le wa ko try video ni wa share sama no. Ono wa share sama no. Mu pese obi ko iye no ko share sama. Mu ma bo akwa no pese mu ko akwala no. On ko share sama. On yo ni sama ye video de we mu pese sama no. Mu pese sama. Zam we no pesa ma ube ko wa transi ube sama onu woni akwalu to picture no nza mu to video akwalu nim ai entu mu hwe sai mu se mu nanu no ye enu no ne jejeju mu totro samafo tantro too much tantro. People they lie. As I say, some Nigerian supporters say, so Nigeria, the thing we talk, we say, me, I go do feature with Beyonce. Ghana people say, no be Ghana people say, forget Ghana people. These 12 people for the music industry, they say, the thing I go do, you know, be me and Beyonce, and I do photo. I say, oh, in a contract I get, they say the woman won't, do music with me. So I say, oh, sure, make I go now. So I fly go, me and go do everything. Ghana people say, it be lie, me, Beyonce no pick well now. I say Beyonce for pick and my artists, No say they get my artists, Sarkodie, Stone Boy, those people. So Beyonce for pick them. So everybody they fight me. Say no be real. Okay, no be real. Today we go there, Sarkodie go feature Bob Marley. Nice collaboration. We like Bob Marley, legend, respect. Yes. They shout, everybody happy. Yeah. And no be anything, no be with disrespect or anything. Bros, the person die. They die. If you can see how they carry on for here, No, it's my guy. This is Sarkodie do something legendary. You shoot video, sir. We go check. The YouTube. We shoot video. But man, not there inside. They say it be legendary. They not do something before. Yes, they not do something before. Cause you see the guy. He do video with ghosts. That's what Ghana like. They love FINRA, Ghana. No easy for Ghana, bros. They love FINRA. Noisy. So that be the problem. Somebody way in go shoot video where the person not there inside. That be the legendary. What are you trying to teach your kids? Did you think your kids can make it to this kind of behavior that you have at home? And all the video places that have been teaching and they are talking about everybody here watching this video in your house. Kneel down and raise your hand. After 20 minutes, Shaxi will come and pick you. And go and buy your ice cream. People have done this. I don't like this thing at all. Don't let me get pissed. Who like talking about the thing like the thing, the way they talk about it is Don't do that, oh. Don't do that. You understand me? You come here to come make money and watch family and watch friends and help people. That be their dream. I don't know your dream. Yeah. I mean, I know my dream. So don't spoil anything for anybody. Don't spoil anything for anybody. Shout out to every artist that have been able to pave a way for another artist and all of us to come meet at this point in life. I just want to say a big respect to you guys. I love you guys. And I respect you guys. And anybody touch you, but ain't touch me. Because you don't play with pace setters. You don't play with pioneers. You don't play with your masters. You don't play with them. The universe is watching, dog. Be real to yourselves. Let's support. The way you go, if you build your Ghana music, build that. Me and my Shatta movement, we build one music, Shatta movement music for elsewhere. We won't build it. But don't teach the kids where they come, beef. You know they give anybody money. You know they give them money. Maybe beef go give money, but maybe beef no we give another person money. You know they give them money. Just hype and plaques and award. That's what it's giving them. It's not giving them money in their pocket. Don't let anybody lie to you. Be smart. I love you guys, man. I'll come again tomorrow when I'm free so we can have a chat. Shout out to Taddy, man. We're coming there, man. Shaxi, Delayman Capsules. You know, we're coming for a show in Takoradi. It's going to be crazy. You know, I want everybody to come and support. That's on the 4th. And on the 11th, we're doing the next show with, Delayman Capsules again in Kumasi on the 11th of February, man. The year of the love, the month, sorry. The month of love, thank you. So, yeah, catch me anywhere you can so we can just have a party, man. If you be artists too, you want to join this show and things, link up. If you link my, and if you get my number, link up, Charlie. Make way, just do shit. You get me? Let's build it. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys, man. So love, man. From here, man. The support you guys support, we already appreciate. You understand me? We're still going hard for you guys. One done. Pa.